I am Surinder Tiwari, welcoming once again to all my colleagues, all my friends. Right now, I am standing in the ground. A match is being played between two local teams. Two local team. I mean to say, two two teams are clashing. Of course, you can divide in this way: IYC A and B. So right now, I am present at this ground, and definitely I will say something or I will mention something about me. So let's see, have a glimpse, have a look. There is nothing but greenery is all around. A beautiful park it is, as far as this park is concerned. Let's see. So once upon a time, I used to play cricket here. I have played so many matches, particularly in this ground. My highest score was 84, unbeaten 84, with the help of five fours and three huge and gigantic six, you can say. So, I'm just trying. I'm just walking and strolling all around the ground. Yes, I am just calling to you. Let us be making video, okay? Understand? I will call you very shortly. I will call you. Because there is sunshine, I was feeling much difficulty there. So nothing was visible from that side. So I am coming to this side only. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Yes. Just trying to. Oh my God. The ground is wet. Ground is wet. There is water, mud, etc., etc. All of a sudden, I felt it. And all of a sudden, two dogs appeared in the ground. The security person just trying to remove them from the park one. More than 40,000 spectators are present at this moment. 40,000 spectators. So good crowd here, overcrowding. Environment is electrifying. Environment is electrifying. So sorry. Good delivery indeed. Goes on the back foot, play defensively. No question of run any. No damage done. Score remain on 99. Just one shot of crossing a landmark of 100. Oh, beautiful delivery indeed. Went for a square cut, doesn't make contact. Wicket keeper behind the wicket, gather it and return back to the bowler. I think more three balls to go, particularly in this over. Here it is from the far, from the hostel and cross umpire ball. Oh, what a magnificent delivery! His stumps has been disturbed. Furniture has been disturbed. So finally, he is taking wicket, providing success for his team. My God. So I just want to show you the glimpses of this park. There is greenery is all around. Beautiful sight it is. So many occasions I had been here. I have played so many matches here. and flicks down to deepest select the fine leg. In fact, it might be for STs. That area was completely vacant. There was no man, no fielder, no man were patrolling. So finally, the ball crosses over boundary for 4. So there is addition of 4 run. Goes. Oh my God! Between long on and long off, and gone for 4. So here the batsman is getting 2 fours on 2 consecutive deliveries. 2 fours on 2 consecutive deliveries. Okay. It's going to be yes. Okay. Beautiful trees just behind me. So I really don't know what is the exact score, but I come to know that a few moments before they have lost the wicket. That would be crucial. That would be important as far as the team is concerned. He lofted it over mid wicket. Gone for 6. No, I beg your pardon. That's gone for 4. The ball was in the air for a short while. No man's land. The ball landed safely. No question of departing at all. Yes, sir. I'm making video. I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm making videos and just go through the running commentary because we have got experience, sir. So that was magnificent delivery, and batsman had enough time, goes back and played beautifully down to deep mid wicket boundary for 4 runs. Oh, what a magnificent! Just bowled him. This time the ball kept very low. Batsman didn't understand how and in which way we should play. He didn't get any opportunity. Finally, his stumps has been disturbed. So the team is getting wicket here, breakthrough here, which is very crucial